Joseph Tully, how important is Lucky in a methodical way as he's going after every defense witness on his cross-examination opportunities. Let's bring in from San Francisco, California, criminal defense attorney Joseph Tully. How important is Lucky, and how did he do on direct and so far in cross?
I think he's doing very, very good. I think he's a great witness for the defense. I mean, if his testimony is to believed, it's an absolute defense. It's completely not guilty. So he's being steady. He's doing what I like to see in witnesses. He's answering the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. If something is good for the prosecution, he admits it. If something is good for the defense, he admits it. He's just, standing his ground very, very well in the face of some very, very skilled cross-examination.
Yeah, Brendan is trying everything, including the threat of Aiden Kearney, a.k.a. Turtle Boy, the blogger, as he calls him, saying that he was going to be exposed. I don't know what Lucky did in his personal life that would warrant exposure, but that sort of says, well, Lucky, you are lying because you didn't want your misdeeds exposed to the public. I don't see Lucky as a liar. Lucky may have missed something. Lucky may not have noticed John O'Keefe covered in the snow. I'm not discounting that. But he's not a liar, is he?
I don't see issues with his credibility in terms of his body language, his demeanor, his tone, where he's coming from. He seems like a very good, solid, down-to-earth person. I think very relatable to the jury. It's interesting to see that the prosecution is trying, different ways to impeach him, and in some instances clearly falling flat, and still kind of being unaffected and moving on and trying different avenues of attack. But I see this witness as being very credible and very relatable.
All right, let's get a break, and then we'll come back and get more of Lucky on cross. Hank Brennan trying